Alright, welcome to Fun with Monu-Cad. We've had several questions about how to import pictures from Efinal date into Monu-Cad. Right here you can see that these are some of the ones that we've uploaded. You can see our image size here is 24.614 by 40.536. We're going to use this image, so first we'll download this image, and I'm going to save this to my desktop, which we've already done. Next we're going to go into Monu-Cad, and we need these sizes here, 24.614 and 40.536. So I'm going to draw a box. I'm going to use rectangle 0, 0, 24. Let's see what that is. 614, comma 40.536. And we've got a rectangle that size. Now you can do this two different ways. You can use an image trace and select your image. I prefer to use a seed fill, and I've saved this also in my backgrounds folder in Monu-Cad. And the reason I do this is because if you use an image trace with my filled fonts, I can't see the my date on top of the image. It puts it below. So if I put in seed filling this and put it on my background layer, it goes directly to the bottom. Nice thing about this is if you've got your card positioned nice and straight, you can strike a line across your date, and you can strike one across the top here, and we'll use a dimension, nearest line, and see we've got a 1-inch letter. We can strike a line in here also and measure this, and you can see whoever laid this out was shooting for 1 inch. So I'm going to draw a 1-inch line here and another one. I'm going to find the center of this book down here and add our lettering. November 6, 1934. We're going to use press modified Roman because that's what this looks like. It's just a hand cut version. And you can see we can drop our date right into place. Our date's a little wider because you can see they really tightened this one up a lot. And we can do that as well. We can edit this, and we can tighten up our spacing so it looks really close. If we want, we can explode these letters, move them around. But for our purposes at the moment, this is going to work just fine. So we explode this over, keep our ortho on, move this all around, tighten it up, make it look like the other one just right. We can measure this and set it, or we can drag these around so it all looks just the same as above. Like I said, we can, if we erase this, we can use an image trace as well. Use IT and choose our box, and we can drop that same image in. But with my filled font, I can't see it. I would need to actually explode it, and then I can see my letters. And that's how we import stuff with Efinal date. You could also use this to trace out our book. And flowers, scrolls, panels, or anything else. So it's a great tool to put in your bag.